Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Outlook this error. So simple way, open control panel. Now here select large icons and here find out mail, this one. Now here click on show profiles. Now select Outlook here and remove. Click on yes. Now click on apply and click on OK. Now try again to open Outlook. Still you are facing this problem. Again select Outlook and here click on add. Give the profile name. Click on OK. Now select this one. Now select this one. Always use this profile. Then apply. Then click on OK. Now try again. And still this method not work. So now select this one and click on open. If these all method not work, so try last one, settings. Now here click on apps, installed apps. Now search here mail, this one mail and calendar. Click on these three dot, advanced options. Now here repair, then click on repair, reset. Again click on reset. Now once these both complete, so hopefully this method work and still you are facing problems, so just uninstall and reinstall by Microsoft Store. So you can try these all options to fix and resolve this Outlook problem. Now guys, as we can see, we tried these all options. Now Outlook is working. So thanks for watching guys. You can try this all method. You can try by reset, repair, and you can change profile. So comment this method work for you or not.